Vapor Honing Technologies today, bringing you something a little new that most of you have never seen before and came across. This is a cutting bit or a tool used for grinding or milling, specifically in the furniture industry, which is obviously huge in our area. What we're looking at here is cleaning this tool up, replacing the tip, and cleaning some of the brazing up after the tip has been rebrazed to the tool. Obviously, all of you tool remanufacturers in the world understand that this is such a big deal. I mean, it's really difficult to take sandblasting and clean the brazing off of the tool without damaging the cutting edge. That's where vapor honing comes in, without damaging the cutting edge on this tool. These things are actually really sharp, so we don't want to dull those before they go back into service, because that's the whole point, right? To bring the tool back in, refurbish it, and put it back into service after the tips have been rebrazed. So that's what we were focusing on here, was cleaning some of the brazing off, giving the tool a consistent surface finish to give back to your customer. That's what we were focusing on in this application. I hope you got to see some of the footage there and enjoy seeing how this process works. For a tool like this, probably you're looking at 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes to do a good job, maybe faster. Depends what level of finish you're looking for your customer, and that's something you're going to be able to determine yourself. We go the extra mile sometimes when we give you a specific process such as this, so we don't want to undersell you, right? So that's what we were working with. If you like what you saw today and you have questions, give the sales team a call. They're here and happy to help you with any application that you have. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.